have created LEGO EV3 RC car. The goal was to create a manual that teaches children how to create a car on their own using LEGO EV3. Creating a robot from their own and learning how to do coding is a great way to teach them something new.
We made a football rebounder. You come from home motivated to practice and train football, but then you find out your friends are busy and your coach is not there. So that's what a football rebounder does. It becomes a coach or a friend or a player that can train us and help us with the football basics like passing, shooting, dribbling and etc.
We created True Essence, which is basically survival booklets for the people who are living alone. This booklet includes cooking recipes, practical support, emotional support, so that people never feel that they're alone.
We manufactured this tool, and the aim in mind was that it would make the process of waste collection easier and more efficient in today's world. Since we don't come in contact with the litter, it is also a more hygienic process. So we felt that if we can incorporate this tool into those service initiatives, we can start by testing and seeing how the product is amongst the people, and maybe it will encourage wider adoption of the product.